The old ones describe Spo-Spomitapisi, the sun beings, as part of our Blackfoot world. Natoosi, sun, his wife, Akainihka'sim, the moon, and their son, Iipisowaahsi, MorningStar, gave our ancestors important sacred ceremonies to use whenever they needed their help and guidance in their lives. Blackfoot people have with our environment is a living connection. We don't look at a tree as just a
static object. We look at this as a living thing. This reaches up. The name mountain means stuck, means forced up. Akainihka'sim, and to learn Blackfoot comes from the land. Land. Plants. In the buffalo, they eat right from the land. So I've heard elders say, you want to learn language, you eat buffalo. So that's the closest thing we have to that connection with land.